Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is on how to develop a Tonal Oppsal flow drill from Twoar G Cell. We're going to go through this in 3 parts, but before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. Moving from Luxe Roll, I apply a half side step, and I apply a Lop Sao from my Tan Sao hand at my opponent's elbow, follow up palm strike to the jaw, check, palm strike to the jaw. From Luxe Roll, as I apply the Tan Sao, my opponent identifies the opening at the elbow where he applies a Pak Sao and a punch to interrupt my motion. From Luxe Row, the conclusion of this 3-part series. My Tan Sao hair moves to Lop Sao. My opponent identifies the opening, traps my elbow. I return my Tan Sao to a Lop Sao hand, lop and punch, check at the elbow, palm strike at the chin to finish. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.